All right. So, what's going to happen today is you're going to end up in a small group room and be assigned a short part of either chapter 13 and 14 to examine and sort of break down. So, I'm pretending that I'm in room zero. Okay. When you get to your room, you have to click this to get to the document with all the excerpts in it. That was weird. Um, and then once you get to this document with all the excerpts in it, you have to click the correct room. So let's pretend I'm in room three. Okay. And then you're going to reread. Don't skim, read whatever is for your room. Okay. And then you come back here and read the directions. Reread your room assigned excerpt. Done. You're watching this video right now. I suppose you could watch it again if you forget what to do. At which point, then you have to start talking to the people in your breakout room. If you are the fastest reader, then you might have to interrupt them and say, okay, I'm going to change our title or I'm going to work on the summary, right? Decide what you want to do. And then the next person would be like, okay, I'm done reading. I think I have a couple good quotes, right? So you'll come back um, and you will choose a good quote or two. You can copy it. It may paste a little funny because of the way the book um, pastes. And of course, this is black, so you will need to change the text color or the highlighting. Right? Do you see what I mean? Like it just pastes weird. So just fix that and make it look pretty. Then someone else in your group might finish up and be like, okay, I think I have an idea for an image, right? And like we've done before, insert image, search the web, and you can search for whatever images come to mind for your little section. And then the analysis part is what matters in this section, what changes, what builds. Okay. The summary is a summary. Don't retell everything that happened, just summarize. And don't forget to change your title box to something that captures what happens in your section. At which point you can delete these directions so you can move things around and have more room, maybe change the font size. You can get rid of my labels, right? We want to make it more attractive. You can change colors if you want to, etc. But everyone's participating, and you, when I pop into your rooms, I expect to hear you talking to each other after I give you time to read. So once again, once you're in here, you choose your room number. That'll take you to the slide. Please make sure your room and your slide, your breakout room and your slide room are the same. Then you have to click this document that will then take you to the excerpt that your group is supposed to be examining. All right, so there's a lot of clicking at the beginning to get the right information into your brain. Please let me know if you have questions.